Be Internet Awesome. Secure your secrets.
Hello and welcome back to our October cybersecurity series, Be Internet Awesome. I'm Cameron, and this week we are locking down our valuable information. This week, our mission is to visit the Tower of Treasure because in the digital world, it's critical that we learn how to secure our secrets. This is what we're going to be playing this week. Our job is going to be to outrun the hackers so they'll steal our messages and identity. Can't have that. So we grab our messages and store them in our tower. I'm going to jump ahead. And we use left and right to move and spacebar to jump. So I can zip along, grabbing my messages, keeping them from the hackers. Don't crash, or the hacker will come. The Tower of Treasure is all about protecting our personal information. That means learning what makes a password strong, understanding how hackers try to steal our data, and creating passwords that are like a fortress for our digital lives. So here's our lesson plan. The lesson is broken into 3 parts. Part 1 is the lesson where you introduce the importance of online secrets and review the core components of a strong password: length, complexity, and avoiding personal information. Make sure you focus a lot on length. Then, students get to apply this knowledge right away in the included practice handout. You can hand out one of these password handout sheets, either for grades 1 to 3 or grades 4 to 6. Then, if you have time, you can play the game where we zip in and we try and keep our information from the hacker. Students will absolutely love this game, and this is a live link to it. And all you have to do is click play. Finally, we bring it all together in consolidation. This is where you review the handout as a class and lead a discussion connecting the game back to real-life situations. It helps students understand when and why strong passwords are so important for their safety online. We also have some discussion questions and some differentiation tips for our students, whether grades 1 to 3 or 4 to 6. This entire lesson gives your students the tools they need to be internet strong. It's perfect for a 50-minute class, it's totally free, and it's ready to use. So your challenge? Head over to Tower of Treasure with your students. You can find the link right here in the lesson plan and give it a try. Let's help our students build a strong defense for their digital lives. See you soon.